Hey guys, I'm introducing my pets and yeah. The first person who can introduce is Brooke. Come out there. Hello, Brooke. How was your day? Great. How was your day? Good. Okay, what's your name? Brooke Hoover. How old are you? 15 years old, halfway 16. When is your B-Day? April 15. What is your full name? My full name is Brooke Jane Hoover. Who is your crush? Please don't say anybody, please. Okay, I will not, but the YouTube fans are, whatever. Lucas Davidson. What? Lucas Davidson. Oh, look, shut up. Sorry. Well, that's all about that. So, what is your favorite TV show? Disney Channel. Okay. And Star movies. I like movies. Lippy. Okay. What is your favorite cartoon character? Gumball and Darwin, cause they're funny, and Richard Watterson too, cause he is super funny, and he make me laugh all the time. Okay, who is your favorite LPS channel? Sophie GTV. Sophie GTV, because I like her videos, especially LPS Popular. I watch that all the time up to season 2, and I hope you make a wedding from Savannah and Sage, Brooke and Sage, whatever. So yeah. Okay, who is your siblings? Well, my sibling is only one. Her name was Megan Hoover. That's my sister. She will be up next or something. It's yeah. Who is your parents? Who are your parents? Well, my parents. I don't have any mother, but I'm hoping I have it. Yeah. How I have like this? If I don't have a mother, how can I be born without a mother? Like that's and that's impossible. But I have a father. It's Walter, and it's on the other side working with some girl, but she's not relationship for someone, cause women's nah. It's better work than never. Cause if he doesn't work, we can be popular. Okay, that's good. Yeah, good science. Yeah. What is your favorite food and dessert? My favorite food is spaghetti, and my dessert is ice cream. Flavor? Chocolate and vanilla. Cool. And no, with sprinkles and nips. Mine is Sticko. Really? I love Sticko too. Me too. Well, the next question. Who is your favorite friend in your channel or in our channel? Well, my favorite friend there is Summer, cause she's so kind. Even if she's busy, she had time with us, and she even gave us food when we're tired and style our hair beautifully as we wanted. That's why I like Summer. Okay, any more friends? Nah, Summer only. Okay, what is your favorite likes? My favorite likes is my favorite like is spaghetti, a chicken. Just don't call me fat. Ice creams, nail polish, shoes, dresses, accessories. Yup. Okay, what is your dislikes? My dislikes is snakes, gorillas, cockroach, snake, like ew, bugs like that. I was like, what the fur is that? I don't like that, okay? It's so dirty, like dirty. And vegetables. Seriously, you don't eat vegetables? Get out of here. Seriously, I don't like veg. Uh, uh. Wait. Wait. Sorry for that, guys. Sorry for that, guys, because my mom called me to get something. Sorry for the long wait. Oh yeah. So what is your favorite song? My sorry for shouting. My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion. Okay, what is your favorite animal? Pop stars. I'm a pop stars lover. Okay. What is your favorite movie? Titanic. Cool. I like that too. But seriously, vegetables, get out of here. Sorry. Just keep this a secret. Fine. Who is your favorite singer? Taylor Swift, Miley Cyrus, and Demi Lovato. Selena Gomez too. Okay. Who's your favorite actress and actor? My favorite actress is Vanessa Hudgens, and my favorite actor is Zac Efron. Okay. What is your favorite book? Dork Diaries. Okay. What is your favorite design? My favorite design is polka dots and stripes. And what is your favorite color? Pink, blonde, and blonde. What is your favorite band? Who is your favorite band? 1D. Who is your crush in 1D? Niall Horan. Oh. KK. Okay. What is your favorite song? Start. Tiffany and Co. Do you like our channel? Yes. Why? Because I have experienced a lot, and I like those experience, and I love the moments that we have working, and that's why I love the channel. Many are funny. Okay. What is your advice to the people? What is your advice to the people who are making LPS vids? Don't give up, but because sooner or later you will succeed. That's all of my advice. So thank you for the advice, Brooke. See you in the next episode, guys. Say goodbye, Brooke. Bye. And eat vegetables. No way. Fine. Bye.